Good morning. This is a recording for Sunday, January 28th. The essay from the Book of Awakening by Mark Nepo that I'm going to read for you today is titled The Gift of Shedding. As always, I'm going to read through the essay and then we're going to do a short practice around it. From the beginning, the key to renewal has been the casting off of old skin. It is interesting that the earliest peoples believed in something that we, in our modern hive of manufacturing, have forgotten, that immortality is attainable by shedding. The Dassans of North Borneo have believed for centuries that when God finished creating the world, he announced that whoever is able to cast off his skin shall not die. But what does this mean? Not that we can live forever, but that the way to stay closest to the pulse of life, the way to stay in the presence of the divine reality which informs everything, is to be willing to change. Still, change what? To change whatever has ceased to function within us, to shed whatever we're carrying that is no longer alive. To cast off our dead skin because dead skin cannot feel, dead eyes cannot see, dead ears cannot hear. And without feeling, there is no chance of wholeness. And wholeness remains our best chance to survive the pain of breaking. Of course, for human beings, dead skin takes many forms, the most significant of which remain intangible but suffocating, such as a dead way of thinking, a dead way of seeing, a dead way of relating, a dead way of believing, or a dead way of experiencing. In essence, shedding opens us to self-transformation. Paradoxically, those of us who refuse such renewal will sooner or later be forced to undergo transformation anyway, as a result of being broken or eroded by the world. Very often, both occur at the same time. That is, we shed from within while being eroded from without. Wow, that's quite powerful. So let's do a practice around that. As always, take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Nice and soft breath, as always, allowing your breath to be natural, allowing a sense of spaciousness, a sense of freedom in your breathing, so that all the experiences of the present moment, physical sensations, thoughts, emotions, can flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. Consider that with each exhale, you can actually shed something that is dead inside. Now take a few moments to reflect on what you're carrying that is dead skin for you. Maybe it's a way of thinking, a way of relating, a way of experiencing. Whatever it is, connect with it. Notice how it feels in your body or how it does not feel. Notice what emotions, what thoughts are being evoked by this reflection. Breathe cleanly and deeply, and ask yourself, what am I being called to shed, to put to rest, in order to gain greater access to the hidden wholeness of life? What am I being called to shed, to put to rest, in order to gain greater access to the hidden wholeness of life? And again, whatever you find out, notice how this discovery feels in your body, in your heart, in your mind. Now place your hands on your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. With gratitude for being here, for doing this exercise. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I know deep, natural peace. And as always, as you gently let go of your practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? As you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection. What are you being called to shed, to put to rest, in order to gain greater access to the hidden wholeness of life? And if you're inspired to do so, share your discoveries in the comments, as usual. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a gorgeous day, and I will see you tomorrow.